Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, confluence. Spelling, confluence. Meaning, a flowing together, especially of two or more streams. Synonyms, junction, meeting, convergence. Antonyms, divergence, separation. Usage. The confluence of the rivers created a fertile delta. The city's strategic location at the confluence of trade routes made it prosperous. Word, conformist. Spelling, conformist. Meaning, someone who conforms to established standards of conduct. Synonyms, conventional, traditional, orthodox. Antonyms, nonconformist, rebel, dissident. Usage. She was criticized for being a conformist and not challenging the status quo. The conformist attitude of the community made it difficult for outsiders to fit in. Word, confound. Spelling, confound. Meaning, to confuse or perplex someone. Synonyms, bewilder, perplex, confuse. Antonyms, clarify, explain, enlighten. Usage. The complex instructions confounded the new employee. The unexpected news confounded her plans. Word, congeal. Spelling, congeal. Meaning, to change from a soft or fluid state to a firm or solid state. Synonyms, harden, set, gel. Antonyms, melt, liquefy, soften. Usage. The fat congealed on the top of the soup. Her ideas congealed into a clear plan after discussing them with her team. Word, congenial. Spelling, congenial. Meaning, pleasant and agreeable because suited to one's tastes or nature. Synonyms, agreeable, pleasant, affable. Antonyms, unpleasant, disagreeable, hostile. Usage. The congenial atmosphere of the party made everyone feel at ease. She found the congenial company of her friends to be a great comfort. Word, congregation. Spelling, congregation. Meaning, a gathering of people, especially for religious worship or instruction. Synonyms, assembly, gathering, meeting. Antonyms, dispersion, scattering. Usage. The congregation sang hymns during the church service. The community center hosted a large congregation for the holiday celebration. Word, congruity. Spelling, congruity. Meaning, the state of being in harmony or agreement. Synonyms, harmony, agreement, consistency. Antonyms, discord, disagreement, inconsistency. Usage. The congruity of the team's efforts led to their success. The artist aimed to create a sense of congruity in her composition. Word, connive. Spelling, connive. Meaning, to cooperate secretly, especially in wrongdoing, to pretend not to see or look at something wrong or evil. Synonyms, conspire, collude, scheme. Antonyms, expose, reveal, have no part in. Usage. The corrupt officials connived to embezzle funds from the company. She accused her colleague of conniving with the competitor to sabotage their project. Word, consecrate. Spelling, consecrate. Meaning, to make or declare something sacred or holy, to dedicate something to a specific purpose. Synonyms, sanctify, dedicate, ordain. Antonyms, desecrate, profane, defile. Usage. The bishop consecrated the new church building. She consecrated her life to helping others through her charitable work. Word, consign. Spelling, consign. Meaning, to hand over, give up or deliver, to put in the care of another, entrust. Synonyms, entrust, assign, deliver. Antonyms, retain, keep, withhold. Usage. The package was consigned to the shipping company. The orphan was consigned to her uncle's care. Word, consolation. Spelling, consolation. Meaning, a consoling or being consoled, comfort, solace. Synonyms, solace, comfort, relief. Antonyms, antagonism, distress, discomfort. Usage. The news of her recovery brought consolation. Word, consonant. Spelling, consonant. Meaning, an alphabetic element other than a vowel, a sound that is produced together with a vowel. Synonyms, non-vowel, sound. Antonyms: vowel, silence. Usage: the word cat starts with a consonant. In music, consonant chords are harmonious and pleasing. Word: construe. Spelling: construe. Meaning: to interpret or understand the meaning of something, especially a text or a situation. Synonyms: interpret, understand, explain. Antonyms: misinterpret, misunderstand. Usage: the lawyer construed the contract to favor her client. The historian construed the ancient text to reveal its hidden meaning. Word: consumption. Spelling: consumption. Meaning: the act of using up or eating something, the state of being consumed. Synonyms: use, expenditure, depletion. Antonyms: conservation, preservation, saving. Usage: the high consumption of fossil fuels contributes to climate change. Her consumption of the novel was so engrossing that she forgot to eat. Word: convoluted. Spelling: convoluted. Meaning: pertaining to overlapping layers by folding or coiling, extremely complicated or complex. Synonyms: twisted, wound, curled. Antonyms: straightforward, simple, uncomplicated. Usage: the lawyer's convoluted explanation confused the jury. The convoluted structure of the kidney made it difficult to understand. Word: coronation. Spelling: coronation. Meaning: an act of investing with a crown, a ceremony of formally investing a sovereign or the sovereign's consort with a crown and other insignia of royalty. Synonyms: crowning, crownment, sacration. Antonyms: abdication, removal. Usage: the coronation of the new king was a grand ceremony. The queen's coronation was attended by dignitaries from around the world. Word: corpulence. Spelling: corpulence. Meaning: the state of being excessively fat or obese. Synonyms: obesity, fatness, plumpness. Antonyms: slenderness, thinness, leanness. Usage: his corpulence made it difficult for him to walk long distances. The doctor warned her about the dangers of corpulence and encouraged her to lose weight. Word: corrosive. Spelling: corrosive. Meaning: causing corrosion, gradually destructive, biting or sarcastic. Synonyms: degradable, decomposable, erosive. Antonyms: non-corrosive, protective, gentle. Usage: the corrosive acid damaged the metal surface. Her corrosive comments hurt his feelings. Word: cosmopolitan. Spelling: cosmopolitan. Meaning: common to or representative of all or many parts of the world, not national or local, sophisticated and worldly. Synonyms: international, global, worldwide. Antonyms: provincial, parochial, local. Usage: the cosmopolitan city was home to people from many different cultures. She was a cosmopolitan person who had traveled extensively and was at home in many countries. Word: crescendo. Spelling: crescendo. Meaning: a gradual increase in loudness or intensity, often used in music. Synonyms: increase, intensification, escalation. Antonyms: diminuendo, decrescendo. Usage: the orchestra reached a crescendo in the final moments of the symphony. The rain fell in a crescendo on the rooftops. Word: culpable. Spelling: culpable. Meaning: deserving blame or censure, at fault for wrongdoing. Synonyms: blameworthy, at fault, responsible. Antonyms: innocent, blameless, faultless. Usage: the company was found culpable for the environmental disaster. The driver was deemed culpable for the accident due to reckless driving. Word: cultivate. Spelling: cultivate. Meaning: to prepare and use land for growing crops, to promote the development or growth of something. Synonyms: farm, work, plant. Antonyms: neglect, abandon. Usage: she cultivated a small garden of her own. The company aims to cultivate a culture of innovation and creativity. Word: cunning. Spelling: cunning. Meaning: skillful or clever, often in a deceitful way, marked by or given to artful subtlety and deceptiveness. Synonyms: clever, skillful, sly. Antonyms: naive, honest, straightforward. Usage: the cunning thief managed to evade capture. The politician's cunning tactics won her the election. Word: cursory. Spelling: cursory. Meaning: done quickly and without much attention to detail, superficial. Synonyms: hasty, superficial, casual. Antonyms: thorough, detailed, meticulous. Usage: the doctor gave the patient a cursory examination before prescribing medication. The researcher conducted a cursory review of the literature before starting the project. Word: curt. Spelling: curt. Meaning: brief and direct in speech or manner, sometimes to the point of being rude. Synonyms: brusque, abrupt, terse. Antonyms: verbose, lengthy, elaborate. Usage: the manager gave a curt reply to the employee's question. Her curt demeanor made it difficult for others to approach her. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.